are you feeding her some milk? Say hi, cat. Oh. Oh, she likes it too. She says yum yum milk. Put it in your mouth?
Excuse me.
Put it in your mouth? Cat, come back and drink the milk. Hey you, come drink this milk. Oh, she likes it.
Jennifer's alive, isn't it?
Here, maybe you can feed her up here. Hi, cat. Hi. Oh, look, now you're close. Give her a rub. Hi, cat. Oh, she's going to read a book. Read the book. Are you going to read Kitty a book? That sounds good. What is it?
You dreamed of a cat?
Kitty, listen up.
It's a busy body.
Listen up. The cat's listening. Read.
Well, I guess that put a cat all over your... Oh, you recorded? Why didn't you tell me?
I did. Ew. What is she doing?
Oh. She's scratching?
What was that? Oh no, not the tail. No. Ooh, she didn't like that.
Like that.
That is a cat. With a big tail.
Did you show Aunt Lily your hat? Put his hat on.
Rub the kitty.